Hi everyone, welcome to Ask Nehru's Angular tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pass value from child component to parent component. In my previous video, I have shown you how to pass value from parent component to child component. Now we are just going to do the opposite. Okay, so there are four different implementations, or we can say use cases, that is passing data from child template and passing data from child's component or TS, and how to pass different data types like primitive data, or we can say object data, and how to use alias for the alternative name for this. So guys, so this is the result of my previous video. So I don't want to erase it because I want to keep it for your reference. So if you want to see the code implementations, you can go to my GitHub link. This is the GitHub link I will give in the description. Okay. I request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And hit the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever I upload a new video. Okay. That's great. Now let's go to the basic implementation of @output decorator. Okay. So I go to the code base and we are in the child component. So whatever you see here is the result of this particular implementations. Now below this, I create a button. Okay. Because now as per our first implementation, I am going to pass value from child's template to parent. Okay, for that I create a button. Okay, the name of the button is click child. Okay, you can give any name as you like, and here I give say hello to parent. It's a decorator. Click is an event. Click is the event, and the name of the event is say hello to parent. Okay, now I give a particular value. Okay, the value is hi mom. Okay, I simply give a particular things, and I take this one and go to my TypeScript of child, and within the class I give the function name. Okay, here we should declare it as a variable. The argument variable, we can say message string. Okay, and we print it using console log. Okay guys, you can type it. Since I am using Codium, it automatically generates. I take advantage of it to show it quickly. Okay, see guys, the implementation. Now I save it and go to the result. See guys, click child button is created. Now I want to enhance because I want to beautify it using P button. If I give P button, it has no effect. So further I go to my imports. I click here prime ng button. For that button module, I go here. Okay, see the button module. This is the button module guys. So now it is beautified with the blue color and also highlighted. Okay, so what will happen when I click this one? For that I want to open this one. This is the developer tool. So when I click this, in the developer tool, the line number child component, line number 31, hi mom is printed. So now this is the interactions which is happening within the component, within the child component. Now I want to pass this value to parent. For that what I do, I create an output decorator. Okay, output from core Angular, value from child. Okay, it is suggesting, I just take advantage of it, and new EventEmitter, that is also from core Angular. The data type should be given within this string. Okay, now I go here, and the same, this is the event, or we can say custom event guys, custom event which is created in the child. Okay, so this dot value from child, I take it and give the emitter function, and within the emitter function I pass the message. That's all. Okay, So this is the syntax, guys. Remember this well. Okay, take note of it. If you have pen and paper, writing in the pen and paper is really a great advantage. We can reinforce our knowledge, whatever we have learned. Okay, that's a small tip from my side. Now, let's go to the parent. Okay, I copy this value from child and go to the parent. Okay, in the parent we have the selector, I mean the template selector of app child. Okay, just after the app's child we create if event, it is already suggesting, that's nice, value from child. Okay, we take it value from child and create a function that is also with the same name, value from child. Okay, I just copy this one, value from child, and go to our parents TypeScript file and paste it here, and I print the event. Okay, the event is simply a string value. Okay, that is coming from our parent. Okay, so I printed this one in the line number 37 of parent component. Okay, in the child component I have erased the console, so in the developer tool only in the parent it's going to be printed. Okay, so I go here and click the child. You see in the developer tool, hi mom is printed, but this printing is on the parent component TS, I mean line number 37, as we see in the code base. Okay, line number 37, it is printed. Now guys, I want to display this not in the console but in the template itself. Okay, now for parent I want to decorate with some styles. Generally it's not a good practice to give inline style, so we should create a class and give it, but considering the time, no, I just take advantage of the inline. This to simply displaying purpose, but you use class. Okay, within the class I create one more paragraph tag and I give a value. I mean the value has to be given from here. First of all I need to create this dot value from, that's all, value from child and the event. I know it is throwing error. We fix this with, we can't give the same name, method name and the variable name should not be same. Therefore I say data from child. Okay, data from child. Now I declare this with the quick fix. It is coming as string. Okay, that's really great guys, but initial value we set as empty, and I take this value class property and in the parent I give this one data from child. That's all guys. So now I save all of them and go to the result. See guys, it is wrapped with one border, and when I click the child, see guys, the hi mom is printed in the parent box. Okay, below the parent box it is printed. That means we pass the value from child, because the whole implementation, whatever we are displaying here is from the child component. So when I click the child, hi mom is printed. Okay, successfully we have passed value from our child to parent. Guys, actually this is one implementation, that is pass data from child's template. Okay, the next implementation is pass data from child's component. Okay, how to achieve it? I go to the child component and I erase this value. Okay, I don't pass this value from here. It throws error because it is expecting and it is expecting a particular things. I erase this also, so it is arrested. Okay, now above the output decorator I declare the same message. Okay, message, and I give the string value, and within this I just paste whatever I have pasted there. Okay, what we can give, hello from child. Okay, this value also we can give, but whenever we use this is actually class property. Okay, it is saying child components, that is a class property. Whenever we give class property into a particular method, we need to give this. Okay, it is arrested. Now see guys, I save it and go to our result. See guys, when I click the parent, it says hello from child. So okay guys, so pass value from child components. Component means here the component.ts, I mean the TypeScript file. Okay, now we can pass multiple data types. For example, now we are passing simply text. You may ask a questions, only text can be passed? No, we can pass any data types with anything. Okay, so I go here to child component, and instead of this I remove it and I keep array of strings. Okay, array of strings, and here I give something like yeah, hello world. Okay, simple hello world we can give. Now it is throwing error, don't worry guys. First of all, it is a string, so the returning type should be array of strings. Okay, now it is arrested. Now let's go to our child. Okay, it is throwing again sorry, the parent, it is throwing error. Don't worry guys, because here we need to declare with array of strings. Okay, now this is an array of strings, therefore we should give like this, and initially we set it empty. But why this is throwing error? Let's see. Error is the part of implementation. This has to be array of strings. Okay, so this value come from the parent through the reference, through the selector. We are actually taking it and trying to print it. Okay guys, now this data from child is again displaying in the parent. Okay, may seems confusing, but if you do it again and again, really it's effective, you will understand it. So when I click the child, you see guys, hello world, from the array it is printed. Similarly, you can handle any complex data guys, but be careful. Whenever you use some complex data, you give proper object name. I mean, if it is array of object, you should give the object's model. Okay, so that's it guys in this video. Sorry, I go back here. Yes guys, so object also we have paused successfully. The next one is how to use alias for alternative name. Okay, let me go to my child component, and here we have the output decorator, and within the output decorator I would say value child. Instead of long name, I just reduce value child, and I go to the parent. Here I change the name because it is long name, right? So I want to reduce the length of the name. I just reduced with value child, and I save it and go here to the result. The value is same. Okay, these are the 4 use cases or implementations I have shown you here. Next video I will give you a new output implementations, that is the feature of Angular 18. So let's meet you. Stay tuned guys. I meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.